What are you doing, little monkey?
I'm making witch's broom.
Oh, really? Show me. Let's see. Oh, what color is this broom?
Orange and blue.
Yeah, so what did you make? Show me all the things that you make today. Oh, funny ghost. Anything else? Anything else? Only one ghost? I see you make a lot of ghosts. Show me.
This is another I make.
Wow, it's so cute. Show me more stuff you make. It's a pumpkin's face. Yeah. So, do you make a jack-o'-lantern? Where's your jack-o'-lantern? Here? It's a pumpkin face, right? It's a pumpkin's face, not jack-o'-lantern.
Mommy, I also make a witch's hat and a bat for Halloween.
Yeah, they are so cute. Do you want to take photo with a Halloween background?
Yes.
Over there. Okay, let's go to take a photo and bring all the stuff you make for Halloween, okay? Okay, let's go. Wow, this Halloween background is so spooky, right? Can you introduce for me all the things, all the stuff in this Halloween party? Yes. Where? Yeah, this is a ghost. Oh, so spooky. So scared. Scary. Oh, witch's broom. Yes. Oh, it's a baby broom. Baby witch broom, right? Yes. Anything else? Pumpkins.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Yes. Many jack-o'-lanterns.
Oh, scary.
Yeah, oh, it's so scary, right? Many bats. Yeah, wow, spider. Are you scared of spiders? Yes. Anything else, honey? Oh, it's haunted house. So, what can you see in the haunted house? Oh, really? Zombie. Anything else? Anything else? Monster? I'm a monster. I catch you. Are you scared of monsters? Yeah. So, anything else? In the haunted house. What? Oh, of course, many girls in the haunted house. Boo! I catch you. Skeleton, yes. And so, what do you want to be in the Halloween party? What do you want to dress up? Dress up? Can you speak louder, honey? Stand up and speak. Speak louder.
A fairy.
Ah, you want to dress up as fairies. Okay. Let's see you in this tonight.
Mommy, I make a ghost.
Oh, really? So these are some ghosts you make? Yes. So scary. Get it, honey. Okay, now we will take photo, okay?